Hello students of class 4. Last class we had done the lesson before the match, isn't it? So in before the match, what did we see? That Swaminathan was trying to get out of drill practice in order to go for cricket practice, isn't it? He was wanting to go for cricket practice, but he had drill practice at the same time. So he got very desperate that how will he go for cricket practice. So now let's see what happens next. Alright. So before the match, today's date is the 10th. Okay. So let us come to the next page. So Swaminathan got very desperate and he pursued him. Who's him? The drill master. Pursued meaning? What is the meaning of pursued? It means followed or chased someone. So he followed and chased the drill master. Why? Because the drill master was keeping him for drill practice, but he wanted to go for cricket practice. So he was following the drill master. Okay. Sir, I am in a terrible state of health. I can't attend drill today. So he is telling his drill master that he is in a terrible state of health. He is sick. He is not well. So he cannot attend drill today. He is telling his drill master, I shall die if I do. He is so sick that he will die if he attends drill practice. Okay. So the drill master had come to the last boy and yet Swaminathan was dogging him. So the drill master had come to the last boy, but still Swaminathan was dogging him. Dogging meaning following very closely, following him. Okay. He turned around on Swaminathan annoyed. Swaminathan was continuously following him. So his drill master was annoyed and turned to him and said, what is the matter with you? Why are you following me? So he said, sir, the whole last night I was delirious. Now what is the meaning of delirious? A state of mind in which one cannot think or speak clearly, usually caused by fever. So Swaminathan was saying that he is delirious, he is not well, okay. So the drill master was stunned by this piece of news. The drill master was shocked, he was stunned. He's like, you were delirious? Okay, the drill master is asking him, you were delirious? So then Swaminathan replied, I didn't sleep a wink last night. I was delirious. So Swaminathan said that he did not sleep a wink, meaning did not sleep at all. Okay, he did not sleep at all because he was delirious. Our doctor said so. He has asked me not to attend drill for a week to come. So he said, the doctor said that he is not well and for him not to attend drill for a week. Now Swaminathan, students, is he really not well? No, he is absolutely well. He is just acting not to be well so that he can come out from drill practice and go for his cricket practice. Okay. So his drill master got fed up with him and told him, get out boy. I don't believe a word, get out. So his drill master told him to get out. Okay. Swami ran out of the school towards the practice field. Everybody was happy to see him so early. Rajam jumped with joy. So Swami ran out of the school because now he's got out from drill practice. So he came out of school and went towards the practice field to cricket practice. Alright. Everybody over there, the whole cricket team was very happy to see him. Rajam was jumping with joy. Okay, Rajam jumped with joy on seeing Swaminathan. Now let's see what happens next. The only thing Swami was afraid of was that the drill master would spy him out on the field. So he was scared that the drill master would spy him out, meaning he would get caught, that he is not going for drill practice but he is going for cricket practice. He was afraid of getting caught. So the next morning he hatched a plan to be free all the evenings of the week. So the next morning he hatched a plan. Hatched a plan meaning he came up with a plan for him to be free all the evenings of the week. Okay, so it was 7:30 in the morning. He had 2.5 hours left before school. So there was a good 2 hours left before school. Now what did Swaminathan do? Swaminathan quietly slipped out of his house. He quietly got out of his house. 10 minutes later, he was standing before Dr. K. Savan's dispensary. Okay. So he was standing outside Dr. Kesavan's dispensary. Now what is a dispensary? A place where medicines are given to people who need them. So he was outside the dispensary of this doctor. Okay. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free, so he entered. He saw that the doctor was alone and it was free, so he entered. So the doctor asked him, "Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter?" Okay. So then he answered, "Doctor, I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately." So he told the doctor that he needs a doctor's certificate immediately. So the doctor asked, like, what is the matter? Why do you need a doctor's certificate? What is the matter? So Swami replied, okay, saying, "I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play a match next week against the YMU and I must have some practice. And yet every evening there is drill class, scouting or some period or other. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help the MCC to win the match." So he told the doctor the truth, okay. He told the doctor that he has to play a match, okay. He told the doctor that he has to play a match next week against the YMU. And for that he needs some practice. But yet every evening when there is cricket practice, he also has drill class, scouting and some period or the other. So that is why he is asking the doctor to give him a certificate asking them to let him off at 4:30 so that he can go for cricket practice and it will help his team, that is the MCC, to win the match. Okay. I hope this is clear to you students. We will do this much today. Alright. And we will continue with the rest in the next class. So let us come to the word meanings for today. Some difficult word meanings are given to you. You have to write them in your English literature copy. Learn the word meanings well. Pursued, followed or chased someone. Dogging, following closely. Delirious, a state of mind in which one cannot think or speak clearly, usually caused by fever. Didn't sleep or wink, did not sleep at all. Hatched a plan, came up with a plan. Dispensary, a place where medicines are given to people who need them. Okay students, that's all for today. Okay, we will continue with the lesson in the next class. Please read whatever I have taught you today. Learn the word meanings well and write the word meanings in your English literature copy. Okay, next class we will continue with the lesson. Thank you students and God bless you.